Hey friends, Claire Daly here in Melbourne, Australia. Hope the light is okay. I'm coming to you from my very first video from my new craft desk. I moved house, as you know, in the end of February. Haven't got the lights set up yet, so I've got to get those plugged in by my cable managers, Josh calls them. So yeah, but I think I can manipulate the editing to make the light good. Now, what I wanted to do today was to unbox the new paper pumpkin. So as you know, there was a great big announcement on stage in Sydney a couple of weeks ago that paper pumpkin is coming to Australia, and it's coming at exactly the same time as all of the other global markets get their kits. So when the new kit is in the US being unveiled, we'll also have it here in Australia, which is fantastic because there's some really great paper pumpkin groups that I can tell you all about, so you'll be able to link in with all of those. Now, Paper Pumpkin is a monthly subscription paper crafting kit, often cards, sometimes different things, but all in the paper crafting space. So this one, as you can see, is April 2026, and we got this at on stage, which is great because it allows us to show you what's involved. So because the first one, there's going to be a shortened subscription period in Australia. It'll be 1st to the 10th of April. Then I wanted to give you some information ahead of time. Beyond that, you'll actually have more time to subscribe each month. Now, I'll be subscribing each month, so you know that getting your kit, you'll also be getting some additional samples from me each month, and we can sort of play with the kits together. So let's have a look what is in the kit. So in your very first box, you will also get a block, clear block, the first block. You can either pay as you go or you can do a subscription, but if you subscribe in the first month of your subscription, you'll get a clear block in addition to what's here. So let's have a look what's in the April one. Now, one of the great things about this is it's a great way to build up some ink pad colours as well. So in this one, you've got an ink spot, and it's one of the new ink colours this year, Peaceful Pine. So that's really exciting. You get your little stamp pad. So this one says, thanks, happy birthday, happy Father's Day, Dad, son, older, wiser, better, you are a lifesaver, you're an inspiration, and a couple of design elements there as well. So you get that. Now let's just open here. So it's so exciting because you get a little present in the mail each month. That's what I'm excited about. You know, subscription boxes, they're fun, aren't they? Okay. So what I might do is actually move the box out of the way because that's just going to cause me grief. Here we go. So let's pop those up there. Let's unwrap this. Okay. So, of course, you get the instructions. So this shows you the 3 cards. Now this one's called Lakeside Retreat, so you get to make 3 cards, 3 designs, but we know that there's lots of other things you can do with the kits. So we might make 1 of each design. This is good because it actually shows you the stamp set here, everything that's in the kit, and then it gives you the step-by-step instructions for each of the 3 cards. So we've got the 1, 2, and 3 cards there. So this is a really beautiful, serene kit is the way I would describe it. So let's have a look at the base. So look at the envelopes, aren't they beautiful? Just the envelopes in themselves are really beautiful and serene, I think. So this is the, oh, kitty cat's come to join us. Hello there, Ang. I don't know if you can see my cat joining. Excuse me, out the way, you're getting in the way of the light. So this is the base cards for this one, base cards for this one, and then base cards for this one. So they're all really nice. And then we've got all our little bits and pieces as well. I think these are beautiful images, really beautiful colors. I love that one. That's just a lake house. That's just so beautiful. Cute little bikes, oars, stuff for the boat. Yeah, it's lovely. I'm going to have fun with this. This is really great imagery for, I think this would be great for, well, it'd be great for masculine cards, but there's something also about like thinking of you, sympathy cards, just gives me that feel. Yeah, so it's really great value. Now the kits in Australia are going to be $48, but that includes postage in Australia as well. So $48 a month, including postage, and there isn't a discount if you subscribe, but you get additional benefits if you subscribe, and I will include those in the information that's accompanying this video, which I'm sending out to my subscribers and customers. So that was just to give you a little peek about what's in the kit. I love it, can't wait to get playing with it and to show you what I've made. As I said, I will be including that in my VIP emails. So if you purchase the kits from me, you'll be getting, or subscribe, you'll be getting my samples in those emails. My additional samples, and also I'll be letting you know all about the different places that you can go online, which have got like global paper pumpkin communities where you can look at all the different samples other people making. And it's paper pumpkin's a real card making community, and that's what I'm really excited about. Not just like something that we are you know, something that we are selling, but it's actually something that you can do together with other people. It's a really nice feel to it. So hopefully you'll love that and you'll subscribe with me. All of the information you need is included in this email, and or if you are wanting more information, you know, you can contact me at any time. So I look forward to sharing the April and lots of subsequent kits with you with Paper Pumpkin in Australia. So exciting.